How to accept collaboration request on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this app. Once you have installed it, you first want to log into your account. After you have been logged in, if you have received any collaboration request, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can accept it. The first thing you want to do is check that collaboration request notification. For that, on the home screen, you want to simply tap on the love icon, which is going to open all the notifications. Here you have this one notification that says someone has tagged you in a post. Tap and open this, and the post itself is going to open up. Here it says someone has invited you to be a collaborator on their post. You can tap on the review option if you want to accept it. Another way to check out your collaboration request is to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then you want to tap on the tagged icon here. You're going to find the post in which you have been requested to collaborate. Tap on that and this post is going to open up. Now you want to tap on the review option. Here it is going to ask you if you want to accept the invitation. If you accept, your name will be added to the post and it will be shared to your followers in addition to where it's already visible. If you do not want this, tap on the decline option. If you want some time to think about this, tap on the not now option. However, if you want to accept it, tap on the accept option. And as you can see, you have accepted the collaboration request on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.